Hey there, everybody. Welcome to another one of our awesome tech videos. I am Paige Libbert. I'm one of the consumer technology specialists here at Mid-Continent Public Library. And today we're going to talk about Mango Languages to Go. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Mango Languages app. So what you're going to need, you'll need a mobile device. It can be iPad, tablet of any kind, your mobile phone, as long as it's a smartphone. You'll need an internet connection, at least initially, to get the app going and loaded and everything. You may need it longer, I'm not 100% certain. You will need your MCPL access pass and PIN. Your access pass is your library card number. And then you're going to need a Mango Languages login, which you can create when you first kind of get started. And so with that, let's go hop into the app.
All right, here we are on my iPad. We're going to tap on the Mango Languages app. It's just the very colorful M here that says Mango. Get this open up. I already have an account, so we'll see if we can get in. I think I typed that in right. Sweet. Okay, so I'm all logged in. I made that account earlier online and just used it on the app, so you can do that. You should be able to sign up in here, but if you sign up online, you'll be able to go through our portal and everything works out better. So just go ahead and create your account online first, but then now that we're in here, let's go and explore. So you can just immediately pop in and pick a language. There are tons of languages. If you don't already know, Mango is a language learning website and app, kind of along the lines of Duolingo, but a little different. And of course, free. So we got all kinds of choices in here, as you can see. There's even pirate. So if you would like to learn how to speak pirate, you have that choice. I will go with, where did it go? We'll do Tagalog. So Mango would like to send you notifications. That's going to pop up generally the first time. With these notifications, it's usually going to be a, hey, come work on your classes. You can choose to allow or not allow. I'm going to go ahead and say not allow for now, just because I don't want a bunch of banners popping up on me throughout the day. And then when you get in here, you can see the main units. This one's got 10 chapters, 65 lessons. Down here on the bottom, there's an option to learn. You can also do the reviews. If you do this, as you go through the chapters, you may have reviews that you can go back and do. I haven't touched this at all. So, of course, there's no reviews. It's telling me I'm caught up. Up here in the kind of top bar, you have your option. You can go back if you're like, you know what, maybe not Tagalog. I'm going to do something else. You can just go back here. So this is going to let me say that I started the class. I can choose to delete it if I want to. And then if I do delete it, it'll take me back to that list. I'm not going to right now. I'm going to go ahead and resume. In the top right-hand corner, we have a little alert button. That's just any notifications. So if we had any, those would pop up in there. And then we have a menu over here. And this is just our menu. So we can change our languages. We can set study reminders. You can set your organizations, which if you already made your account through the website, through our website, that's going to pop up in there. You can create family profiles. So you can like do events or something so that your family actually all works through languages together. You can check your activity. You can delete any of your downloaded data. You can get into support, and of course you can log out. You can also go fiddle with your account if you'd like to. So from there, that is kind of just the basics. If you want to get started on a language, you can just tap on the one basics or the big kind of play symbol on the bottom. So go ahead and tap on that. And so you can see there's conversation and then there's grammar. So you can do conversation, which is saying goodbye, make small talk with strangers, greeting people, and expressing gratitude. You can see the tutorial down here in the bottom left. So if you want to go into the tutorial, you can go there. If you go into grammar, you can learn a variety of things. But you can click start on the bottom. In the top right-hand corner, or in the top part again, right-hand corner, you have the option to play, which will start your lesson. You also have the settings, so you can do a narrator, you can do closed captions, you can put it into night mode, which will change it to, well, dark mode for a lot of people. You can do quiz timers, you can do interactive quiz slides if you would like to. So you can kind of do the course settings from there. If you want to close out, you just tap the X at the top left. That'll get you out of your course. I'm going to go ahead and start this, and hopefully it doesn't start yelling at me immediately, but we'll see.
Listen to the following. The translation. Listen.
So you get the idea. I figured it was going to start talking immediately, but I was hoping it wouldn't. So it does, it just takes you right into the lesson. You work through them at your pace. These are all self-paced. There's 65 lessons, as you can see, so it's going to take you a little while, but I mean, you're learning a new language. It's not a fast process. So take your time with it, and you can do it self-paced because it's an app. You can also do it online. And if you've got yourself signed in with your MCPL account, then you can kind of go back and forth between the website and the app really easily, which is super, super nice. I'm going to go ahead and go back to languages. Up here in the top left-hand corner, when I go into this spot, you can see there's a little plus button. So I can actually press that, and it will take me back to pick another language. So I'm like, you know what, maybe Japanese this time. So it's going to take me into Japanese. You can see that there are 5 main units for this one, and then there's also some specialty units as well. So there's English loanwords and mimetic words. But you can come in here and you can do this instead, so you have more lessons. As you can see, there's a ton, but there's a bit more there for you to do. And there's also a placement test for this one, so you can actually see if we get it loaded in. It's thinking. It's given up, so let it keep thinking here for a second. Again, you have your options to learn and review on the bottom. Oh, it's almost done. Here we go. All right. So you can pick your lessons from there. Do the placement test. So the placement test is a little bit different. This will actually let you know if you can skip pieces and parts of the actual test or of the courses itself. So if you happen to already know the language a little bit, you can do that if you want to. But it's actually going to test to see if you know any of it, and it will let you skip some of your lessons if you want to. I know literally a word, so I am probably not going to be the person who gets placed very highly. They're going to have me go through the entirety of the class if I want to do it, or of the courses and chapters. So that's kind of it. Mango Languages is really pretty easy to use. If you want to delete a course, or if you're like, never mind, you can just you can go in here, hit a little back button or tap on languages, and you just tap delete. And to navigate through them, you have your little arrows on the bottom. You can delete them once you don't have any languages left to choose from. Nope, not Korean. Dang it. Once you don't have any languages left to choose from, it just takes you back here. You can also search for languages, so if you're like, you know what, I did want to learn pirate, you can start to type it in and it pops up. And then you can come in here and you can learn ship talk as a pirate if you want to. So that's kind of Mango Languages, the app. In a nutshell, it's fairly easy to use. And the nice thing is that if you're logged in with the same account, you can kind of keep up with your lessons both using the web version and the app version. So yeah, come in here and explore it. I hope you enjoy it.
All right, so that was Mango Languages to Go. It's honestly a pretty easy app to use. It's fabulous because you have that cross-platform use if you would like to, and it's, to go. You can go and learn all your languages quick and easy. I mean, not easy, but quickly if you want to, and on the go. If you like this video, and I hope you did, we have tons of other videos like it. Please come find all of our awesome videos. You can find us on Facebook at MCPL 360, and you can also find us on YouTube. Just search for the MCPL Mo page, and you'll find all of our stuff there. We do premiere new videos every Tuesday at 2, every Wednesday at 1, and every Friday at 1, and we would love to see you there. And with that, well, there you go. There's our news. There's our premieres. With that, thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great weekend, guys. Thanks.